A new Volkswagen Golf R will enter the 24 Hours of Nürburgring in 2027, marking 25 years since the creation of the R performance brand. After several seasons campaigning front-wheel drive Golf GTI race cars, Volkswagen is now shifting in 2027 to the all-wheel drive platform of the Golf R, developed in collaboration with Max Cruise Racing. It's a sign of continuity in a timeline that begins with the Golf R32 in 2002, a model that established the formula of an high output engine, all-wheel drive, and a clear positioning above the GTI range. Recent Nürburgring results provide the baseline for this transition. In 2025, the Golf GTI Clubsport 24 Hours secured a class win in the AT3 category for alternative fuels, finishing 24th overall out of 135 entries. Producing 397 horsepower and running on a fuel composed of 60% renewable raw materials, it delivered in 2025 a second consecutive class victory. The 24-hour race combines 21 kilometers of track with variable grip traffic and is used to validate drivetrain durability, thermal management, and chassis consistency over extended periods. Drivers such as Benjamin Leuchter combine racing and engineering roles, contributing feedback that feeds into production models. This includes Nordschleife testing and record-setting runs, such as the 7-minute 46.125 lap achieved with a pre-production Golf GTI Edition 50. The move to the Golf R introduces additional technical complexity. Unlike the GTI race cars, the Golf R platform uses a 4-motion all-wheel drive system. Adapting this new architecture for endurance racing requires new calibration strategies for torque distribution, driveline cooling, and overall system efficiency. A preview has been shown through the Golf R 24H concept, although final specifications remain undisclosed. The objective is to validate the Golf R platform under sustained race conditions and transfer that data into future production vehicles.